What's up guys, I'm back with another video. This time it is a review slash tutorial on Arctic Fox. This time I'm also using different colors and I decided to change it up as far as how I reviewed it last time. I really like how the results turned out this time. It was a lot more vibrant with the technique that I used. Let me know what you guys think and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just so you guys know, this is how my hair faded out from the last video that I uploaded, and that was when I used Ritual and Girls Night. And as you guys can tell, again, it did fade to that light purple. And so by using the new colors, it was not a problem. I didn't have to strip the color out or anything. If any of you were wondering how it would look on previously dyed hair or faded hair, hopefully this helps. So what do you guys think? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you guys enjoy this video, please thumbs up. That way I know what kind of videos you guys like to watch and I can continue to make them. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.